Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with um, some stuff that I bought from Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter, and some items I had specially ordered from Sabrina's mom. Some is from the garage sale, and some is I just had her pick up for me, I believe. I don't remember. But first off, she forgot to send these to me back in 4th of July. She found them for me. She's got me 2 of them. The little red truck, Home of the Brave, 4th of July. So I will be using these next year. Or you never know, because I like that truck with the American flag on it. I might put that up all year long anyways. I can put that up all year. Home of the Brave, USA, the stars, Sweet Land of Liberty. I can use 90% of these all year long if I wanted to. They look cute out a window all year long. So, hey, I might do that. So, got that. Now, at the top, I'm going to show you. These are stuff I had asked Sabrina's mom because Sabrina's mom is a crocheter, and these are Christmas presents and birthday presents down the road. But she was nice enough to make me what I asked. But look at, I asked her to make me a Pocahontas. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my God, I love her. But I'm putting these away. This one's for Riley, of course. Look at that. She did such a good job on her. Isn't that cute, guys? So that's Pocahontas. And then I had her do me a mermaid. I have more for Riley than anybody. This was cute how she did this, guys, okay? This is the Little Mermaid. Look at that. Riley likes the Little Mermaid. Oops, I'm going to bring this up a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, there's the Little Mermaid. She's adorable. Watch, ready? Her tail comes off. And then she has the skirt. Isn't that cute? I loved, and her mom came up with that. I was like, that is so awesome. She's going to love that. Love it, love it, love it. And a Minnie Mouse. I love it. I like that it looks old school Minnie Mouse. Isn't she cute? I love it. So we got that one. Then my rallies, now like I said, I'm going to put them away and figure out which one I'm going to give her for Christmas, her birthday. But then this was a special, I ordered these special, okay guys? As each one of the kids, and when I saw Zach had these, I'm like, oh my God, I gotta get kids these. They are all into Pokemon. Oh my God, these are bigger than I thought they were. That's cool though. I'm gonna put these back in a bag. Okay. And I ordered 3 of them so that each one of the kids can get one because they're all into Pokemon. So, and I just said to make the smiles different so they could tell them apart. So cool. Oh my God, these are awesome. Wait till I show Scott these. We'll get the 3 of them. Aren't they adorable? So their mouths are different so they know whose is whose. These are Christmas presents. Oh my God. They're going to die. They're going to love these. I can see it already. Every one of my grandkids are in the Pokemon or Pokemon or whatever you want to call them. Awesome job. Look at the cool. Oh my God. These are so cool. Love them. You're going to love them. So that's Christmas. I got early start on Christmas. So now it's the banana stuff. Okay. So this is the little Bo Peep pen. I thought it looked so much like Riley. Is he cute? Alright, I'm just going to pick. She had a couple skulls in her sale I spotted. So I asked her for them. So I got down. The fun part is I forgot what I all wanted. Oh, she had 4th of July sets, and I needed these for actually a Halloween project. So got them. And here are these little Valentines sticker books. Ooh. It's sticker and exchange card kit. I thought the stickers were cute. They're grands. And myself. And then, these are Halloween balloons. And they are glow in the dark. They look like aliens. What's inside? Inflation ban times 5. And I'm going to blow them up. Do not inflate the balloon past maximum size. And I'm going to stick them in Diamond's pool one night. I'm going to purposely blow them up. And I'm going to have me and Scott sneak out there. And then I'm going to plan it with her neighbor. And have her neighbor call Diamond and say, hey, what is going on with your pool? And she's going to see all these aliens in her pool. Plus she had glow sticks. I got them as well. And bugs. She had bugs. Halloween bugs. Got some bugs, anybody? So got some bugs. And a cupcake combo. Cool. And oh, yep, and I forgot. This is shrink art. Is that cool? I have the kids on Wednesday, and I have the kids in the next 2 weekends. So we're going to be doing a lot of crafts this upcoming Halloween for Nana's room. And then some of the little sticker boxes, mini sticker boxes. Got them. And then, oh yeah, and then there's this cool little Halloween glow-in skull lantern. I thought that was cool. And we got a little witch that you do. The little pegs. I got a can. And then I got the group. Dude. Grandkids are going to eat this up. I watch and see. Coda's already likes my elephant. And I'll wait till he sees the cactus on Wednesday. Kids have no school on Wednesday. Devin has a doctor's appointment, so I have the grandkids Wednesday. And then a Bonnie pen. And another 4th of July pen. And then a unicorn. And then look at the troll. Love it. These are my trolls. And then we got some foam Halloween, Frankenstein witches. And then look at that, the spider. Love it. And then we have the little fox. And then we have the sugar skulls. We're not in a room, guys. Box isn't empty yet. Some little wooden trucks she picked up for me. And then the material. They're cool. My foot fell asleep. And then another box of stickers. And look at Frankenstein. Little frame. I'm going to have the kids pay them, and I'm going to take pictures of them this year and put them in there. The grands. And then we have some stickers. Little frames. And then the lipsticks. And then the mermaids. And then the green spider necklaces. That's cool. Unicorn die. And then this is a gift from Bima. Thanks, Bima. A nail trick. And then the Ninja Turtles for Coda Bear. Actually, no. I bought these for a joke for my son-in-law. My son-in-law who loves the Ninja Turtles. And then, look at that pretty ribbon. And then holiday ribbon, Valentine's, Easter, and St. Patrick's Day. Oh, and she picked this card up for me. Forgot about this. The Joker card. That's a gift for Coda Bear. And then little trucks. Lights. And another thing of truck lights. And then I grabbed these for Allie. They're colored pencils. Yeah, it's a Christmas present. And then these are some paint markers for myself. And almost to the bottom, guys. And then this is like moss. It's cool. And then she picked these up at when Hobby Lobby had them on sale, and I gave her the money what she wanted for them. Was the tri-blend markers. She actually had a color. Oh, there's a color I didn't think I had. So that's cool. And I liked them, and you know me and my coloring, so when she told me she was selling a bunch, I'm like, I want them. They're mine. So that is my haul from Sabrina. And so, but I am loving the homemade crochet items that I ordered from her mom. And there will be tomorrow a reminder, guys. Hang on here in a second. I'll make some room. I can't let them see any of this or the kids see any of this. So I'll have to, first thing in the morning, stash their stuff. Just a reminder for tomorrow is our sale, as we're calling it, Tina and Sabrina, Sabrina and Tina. Tomorrow at 4 Eastern, 3 Central, 2 Mountain, 1 Pacific. It is on my channel. And there will be random and holiday. I have Halloween. Sabrina has Halloween. Plus, Sabrina's mom crocheted some cute little animals. Not like mine. Mine were specially ordered. But she does have some other ones that she's been making that will be seen on the sale tomorrow. So I hope to see y'all there tomorrow. And the prices are reasonable. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. And good night.